Let's go.
Welcome to the Legal Eagle channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share you what are the ways to become a successful lawyer. This is for every law student and the students who have graduated law. So there are only 7 ideal things that every law student must do to become a successful lawyer. What are the 7 ideal things? Let's see in this video. Firstly is ace your entrance exams. Beginning with the class 12 students, you need to appear for entrance exams such as CLAT and LSAT. Unlike other professions, law also has entrance exams in which you need to have a qualifying marks. So acing your entrance exams can admit you in various other universities in India. Second is to set your goals. You need to set your goals for which you achieve and choose law. Choosing law as your profession, what makes you differ from others. Setting your clear goals will also help you in acing as a lawyer. Third is work harder. Working harder also helps you in achieving your goals at a faster pace. Every lawyer, even after completing their graduations, work hard to achieve at their higher levels. So, as a student, you need to work hard. So, this is the third one. Fourth thing is focused study. You need to focus when you study and prepare for your exams. Studying doesn't mean memory. You need to understand the concept. In case of any doubts, you can rely on the internet sources or directly ask your faculties in case of any doubts. The next thing that every law student must do is learn daily. Get updates on every concept of law that can help you in gaining your knowledge in law. Learning daily the concepts can help you in having the knowledge of law. The next thing and the sixth one is internship and practice. Every law student in their universities need to apply and look for internships. Go for unpaid internship at your early age so that you can gain experiences. You need experience. And later stages you can apply for the paid internships also. By the way, you can also start earning at your university's level. For the practice thing, every law graduate after their graduation need not be idle after graduation. They can go for court practices that can improve their advocacy skill. The last thing is that the advocacy. Your way of presenting or expressing the things as a lawyer should be very clear. That is the skill of advocacy. Every advocate master the skill of advocacy to express themselves and put their arguments in their courts. These are the 7 ideal things that every law student must do. One more important thing I would give you in as a bonus is rely on the proper resources. Relying on resources mean you need to look into the websites or books that actually are reliable. Example, for the case laws, you can refer India Kanun websites and other websites that are only reliable and are genuine to use. Books such as which are recommended by your universities are also reliable. Use them in your research papers and submitting your assignment works. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe my channel and like this video for more updates.